Online conspiracy claims China intentionally shut down Zhurong rover. It found a Martian mystery to hide. Last Zhurong data reveals. Not released. Analysis ongoing for over 2 years. Space agency avoids response. Mars secrets soon. Let's talk facts. What has Zhurong experienced on Mars? What did he see there? Why is the whole world watching him so closely? The story begins in 2020, a July when Long March 5 launched in Hainan, carrying Tianwen-1. Within that probe was the Zhurong rover, destined for Mars. This was China's first mission to Mars, but our approach. Americans explore Mars methodically, orbit then survey. After years, try landing again. Success means sending a rover, decades of effort. After failures, we understand Mars. China aims for orbit, land, and roam on first try. In one mission, it orbits Mars, lands, and roves freely. The space community warns us of extreme risks, not in disrespect but concern. Over 40 probes sent to Mars, nearly half failed, mostly by the Soviet Union. Japan tried and failed. Europe lost billions, the lander crashed in silence. Mars devours probes, yet China lands in Utopia, Planitia. The name is romantic, yet it's a hellish place with chaotic terrain and extreme temperature swings. NASA has studied this area for decades, running thousands of computer simulations, concluding that this place is hell with chaotic terrain, sandstorms, and 20-degree temp swings. Go straight to minus 100 degrees Celsius. NASA's decades-long study concluded. High-risk landing not advised. We ventured where few dare. May 15, 2021. At 1 a.m., Zhurong entered Mars' atmosphere. The next 9 minutes are crucial. Mars' thin air, just 1% of Earth's, needs more than a parachute. Retro rockets must brake hard. Earth tests failed to mimic Mars. One shot, no second chance. Terrifying signal delay. Mars is too far from Earth, and a signal round trip takes nearly 20 minutes. Zhurong's fate is sealed by the time control receives descent started, safe landing or destruction. During these 9 minutes, the ground team can do nothing but wait. In aerospace, it's the terrifying 9 minutes. Mission control was crowded that night. Engineers watched in silence, some for a decade. Now a veteran, he works towards these crucial 9 minutes. In the silent hall, words appeared at 1:18 a.m. Rover landed in Mars Utopia, Planitia. Mission success. People wept, speechless, long-repressed emotion released. After touchdown, Zhurong waited a week, then descended slowly on all 6 wheels. Its tracks marked Mars first, clear tire marks on red sands. Chinese footsteps on Mars, near a flag and landing pad. The journey ahead is tougher than the landing. Zhurong's design lifespan, 90 Martian days. That's about 3 months. It's short due to Mars' harsh unpredictability. This equals about 3 months on Earth. Mars is too harsh. He survived 358 days, nearly 4 times his designed lifespan. In 358 days, Zhurong traveled 1921 meters, nearly 2 kilometers. He navigated terrain 400 km from Earth, avoiding rocks. Navigating around craters and scaling sand dunes required utmost caution with every step. No rescue if trouble arose. Earth commands take 40 minutes round trip. Round trip takes 40 minutes. Zhurong relied on himself, moving and missionizing. Water under Mars confirmed. Zhurong's ground-penetrating radar revealed hidden secrets. Water ice deposits lie beneath Utopia Planitia. Mars settlement is now feasible with water for life support. Water is key for survival. Hydrogen fuel breaks it down. Mars has underground water. Heavenly luck, NASA revised Mars mission plans. They shifted the landing site to near where Zhurong landed, clearly aiming at that layer of ice. They copy others' work. Mars may have had oceans. Zhurong's rock photos thrilled geologists, showing water's long-term effects. This hints Mars had rivers and seas like early Earth. Perhaps it even had an atmosphere protecting it, but then something happened. Mars lost its water and air, becoming desolate, life's presence uncertain. At that time, Mars had conditions favorable for life. Discovery is more sensitive. Zhurong detected unusual signals. What are they? The statement doesn't conform to natural patterns. Clear. Some data contradicts known theories and remains unpublished. Ongoing analysis continues unspecified. No one knows for sure. It might just need more time to study, or perhaps it's best not to speculate. May 2022. As Mars winter began, a vast dust storm covered Zhurong's panels in dust. Unable to generate power, it entered hibernation. The plan was to wait till spring on Mars when winds clear its panels. This would enable Zhurong to recharge and restart operations. But even by 2023 and then into 2024, it remained dormant. The ground team called out to it every day. Engineers open equipment daily in Beijing Aerospace City and send signals toward Mars. Zhurong, wake up. Can you hear us, Zhurong? Then they waited, but after a year there was nothing. Officially, the dust was too thick. Wind failed, winter froze batteries past repair. Zhurong rover unlikely to wake. Agency calls it hibernation. Not lost contact, not failed. Hibernation means there's still hope, a chance to awaken. A reporter asked. As long as there's hope, they won't give up. But I do know that on Mars, miracles have happened before. Opportunity lost contact when its panels were blocked by sand. Months later, strong winds revealed it, reviving it for more years. So Zhurong isn't completely out of the picture. If Mars gets hit by a sufficiently powerful wind, could clear dust, letting sunlight reach panels, might restart. Zhurong sleeps on Utopia Planitia, dusty, with a chip. 12M Chinese names etched on chip, off to Mars on Zhurong. Now these 12 million are symbolic Martian residents. They are real elements on Mars. Zhurong has completed its mission, designed for 90 days. It lasted 358 days, achieving all goals: water, ice, ancient oceans, geology, unparalleled achievements. Zhurong proves China's success in independent Mars exploration on the first try, decades in the making. Years of struggle, lessons, and dedication. Some say $6 be wasted. But this cost can't be calculated so simply. 6 billion spent, less than 5 cents per person. China became second to operate a Mars rover with just 5 yuan. These data will shape humanity's future. For Mars colonization, Zhurong's findings are invaluable. Its pioneering work not waste, Zhurong evokes romance.